Good afternoon, Hutchison families. Miss Aiello here, and I'm also joined by the wonderful Mary Specht, one of our family liaisons.
Muy buenas tardes, familias. Aquí la señora Aiello. Yo la estoy acompañando hoy, le voy a servir de intérprete, la señora Mary Specht.
We're excited to share about an incredible opportunity that we've created using our ESSER funds.
Queremos hablarles sobre un proyecto que hicimos aquí en la escuela de Hutchison usando los fondos de ESSER.
To strengthen our partnership between home and school, and also to support literacy development and instruction, we've created literacy take-home kits.
Para fortalecer lo que es el trabajo de la casa y de la escuela, entonces creamos este programa con algunas herramientas para ayudar a los niños a desarrollarse en el área de lo que es el aprendizaje del inglés.
Families, these literacy take-home kits are going to be used for all sorts of different instructional tasks and activities around reading, writing, and word study.
Entonces vamos a mandar a la casa, es como una bolsa o una cosa con diferentes actividades que les van a servir a los niños, no solamente para la lectura, también para la escritura y para el aprendizaje de palabras.
But equally as important, we want kids to have fun, explore, and be creative with these materials.
Pero también queremos que los niños sean, que ellos tengan una oportunidad de ser creativos, de disfrutar estas actividades.
And so we're excited that our teachers and students and now families can use these kits at home, and we're so excited to hear about the wonderful ways families are enjoying these kits. So let's learn a little bit about what we're going to be doing.
Entonces estamos felices de saber que tanto las profesoras como ustedes en la casa van a estar ayudando a los estudiantes en el desarrollo del lenguaje, y queremos oír qué tal les va a ustedes en la casa con estos materiales.
Thank you.
Gracias.
Not all students will use the kit in the same way. Some will be ready for word writing, others will be working on letter identification and drawing pictures and telling stories about what pictures they've drawn. This oral language development is an important part of their reading and writing development. Other students will be ready to write stories in pictures and words. We included a word wall and alphabet chart in their writing folder that they can use for some of the most frequently used words in books that can be tricky to spell. Encourage them to have a portable word wall nearby while they are writing so they can use it to spell words. Feel free to add any other words they need for their writing. Just write them in beside the appropriate letter. Our younger students will enjoy making letters with Play-Doh and starting to hear the first and last sounds of letters in shorter words. They will also be working on writing their names, starting with their first name and then adding their last name as well.
The M and A, the little A, little R, and the big C, and O.
The word building tiles are a great way to practice building words. You'll notice the vowels are red and all the consonants in the pack are blue. Once your child practices building the word with word tiles, they can write it on the mat or on their whiteboard. Remember, these materials are to inspire fun and creativity in the learning. Jean Piaget famously quotes, "Play is the work of childhood." Playing allows children to follow their own curiosities and is a powerful force for learning.
Thank you to Marco from pre-K, to Ella and Leslie from kindergarten, to Caitlin from first grade, and Arnav from second grade for helping to make this video. And thank you, Miss Aiello, for helping to make this project possible. Have a fun time learning.
Please feel free to share with us how your children are enjoying using their literacy take-home kits so that we can share the enthusiasm and ideas with one another. Feel free to send pictures of your child using the kit to their teacher or to Mrs. Bolano at jcbolano@fcps.edu, and we will be sure to share them in a special place so we can all enjoy the creativity and the fun of this experience. We hope you and your child enjoy using these literacy toolkits.
Don't forget to learn it. It's because you're learning ABCs, and you need to try something for your teacher, forget something for your teacher, and then you need to get It's like a Play-Doh. It's like Play-Doh. You take it home and you need a skip because you need to like a whiteboard and take it home, and after it's Saturday you can take it.